In this video, I am going to explain how to write Verilog code for 1 to 2 de-mux using if statement. The inputs and outputs would be same like structural level of abstraction, that is select input and 1 bit input is your input, and out of 0 and out of 1, or O of 0 or O of 1 will be the output of your de-mux. And this statement indicates that whenever there is a change in the input, then these set of statements should be executed. If you write begin here, you have to keep end, or you can remove these two, that's not an issue. And if your select input is 0, then you are saying that the out of 0 should be equal to the input that you are giving, and the out of 1 should be equal to 0. Otherwise, the other possibility is the select input can be 1, that means you are indirectly directing that to the else statement. Then your out of 0 should be 0 and out of 1 should be the input that you are giving at your input end of demultiplexer. Now this is as simple as that. Just you are writing using the if statement, you are verifying the select inputs in the if statements, that's it. Now if you look at the test bench, this will be same for any level of abstraction. So the possibilities, all possibilities that might occur, that is select input can be 0 or 1, and if that is the case, and your input can be of anything, so all the possibilities that you are checking is what you have to do in the test bench. So by default, all these declarations you will get if you are instantiating the Verilog test fixture. Now the select input is 0 initially, and after 2 time units, for every 2 time units, because you are writing this after always, this will be incremented. I mean 0 1 0 1, because the carry will be omitted since it is a single bit. Now the input is given as 1 here, so you are executing this for 10 time steps, then you are terminating this program. So let's see how the timing waveforms would be. Now if you look here, at this instant of time, my select input is 0, that means I of the input that I am giving is 1 here. You will see the input that you are giving to the demultiplexer at out of 0, because it is the select input for that case is 0. So you can see here it is 1. Now let's see another case. When the select input is 1, then the input will be propagated through O of 0, O of 1. Select input is 1, so O of 1 you will get as 1. Similarly, you can check for all other cases.